Step number 4, create your bio, picture, and description. Now, this is one of the juiciest steps. I'm actually going to spend a few minutes on this one. There's a lot to go through, so bear with me. You might need to watch this one a couple times. I think this is important, and a lot of people don't even really know how to do it. So create your bio, picture, and description. You're going to go to users, your profile. Okay, so let's just go ahead and go down there. See users right here, this link. You're going to go here to your profile. So as you can see here, when we open this up, there's a lot of different things you could do. In fact, feel free to mess around in here if you want. But the main thing you want to do is you're going to have your first name, your last name, and then you're going to have your nickname. Now, display name publicly. At all your posts, it's going to say that your posts are written by, somebody. Like if you go over to my posts or whatever, let's go to one of my recent posts right here. Let's go to this one. Power Network, solo ad, providers, whatever. My post is written by Chris Record. Okay, you see that right there, written by Chris Record. And then all the way down on the bottom, it says about the author, Chris Record. Okay, and it's got this picture and this description. So that's exactly what we're talking about right now, is what it's going to read. So as you can see, there's some options here, okay, how you want it to read. It could be your name, first name, or last name, or it could be a nickname. You could choose anything you want. Now for this example, I'm going to have it be Zopa Realty, but just to give you an example, that's where you would go and change it. You can have this nickname be anything that you want. Okay, you can go ahead and put in your email. Now, the big thing about this email is whatever email that you put here, it's going to work with your picture. I'm going to show you how to set up your picture. Now, in this example, I've set up an email for Rochelle, just like that, at Take Massive Action, just so we can use it in this example, because I'll have access to be able to check that. So there you go. You could fill out any information you want. Now, here's where the biography goes. Okay, so we could put something simple here. Zopa Realty is a leading California residential real estate firm helping people buy and sell homes and create wealth through real estate investments. Okay. So just like that, we've got a little bit of a bio. Now you could write a lot more. Now while I'm here, I'm going to show you something kind of advanced, so pay attention. I'm going to show you something just a little bit advanced, and it is how to make a link. Okay, this is going to be how to make a link. So what you want to do is whatever word you want to make a link, you have to use HTML code. Okay, and if you don't know HTML, you can look it up very easily in Google. You can Google the term, HTML, code for link, and it'll show you. So here's the code. You can just watch me type it. It's a left bracket A space href equals and a quotation mark. Okay, we're going to put another quotation mark in end. So it looks like this. Left bracket A space href equals quotation, right bracket. Now whatever you put in here is going to be where the site goes. So let's put zoparealty.com. A space H, so look, left bracket A space href equals quotation mark, and then whatever the website is, make sure you use http:// it could be www if you want, that doesn't really matter, .com, quotation, close. So these brackets, open it and close it. So it's saying whatever comes after this is going to link to this website. Now, what do we want to be the link? We want Zopa Realty to be the link. So at the end of that, we have to put left bracket /A. Boom. And that closes it off. So you have something here that says anything after this, make a hyperlink. And it says, so that's going to make that a hyperlink. And then afterwards, close it. Now this is beginning HTML. You can look it up. If you feel uncomfortable with what I just showed you, just skip it. There really is no reason for it. The reason I'm showing it is because some people are going to want to know how, and that's how you do it. Now, if you want to make something bold, here's how you're going to do it. Let's say we want to make create wealth through real estate investments bold. Okay, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to put left bracket, strong, right bracket. Now, anything after that is going to be bold. So you're going to go over here, and you're going to do left bracket / strong, and that closes it off. So just like that, that's how you can make something bold. So there you have bold and links right there taken care of. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make this a part 2 video to show you how to put in your bio picture. One last thing I will tell you is this. Your current password is the same as your Empower Network site. If you ever wanted to have somebody help you with your blog, and you want to have maybe somebody outsource and take care of this, but you don't want to give them your Empower Network password, you can change your password here, and that's how you have your own custom password. So I'm going to go ahead and see you on part 2 of this video.